We're running a fabric measuring and inspecting machine today. You can see on the touch screen here a few of the attributes, but the key thing for the time being is that we have a yardage counter here that is set to count off 20 yards of fabric. We've got our inspection lights just open or just turned on the back of the fabric. For this particular fabric, it's better inspected that way versus with the top lights. And you can see the roll counter that's actually doing the measuring of the yardage of the fabric. Coming on down here, you can see the edge guide system, and in the background a spiral roll that is ensuring that this fabric remains open and the edges aren't turned in, which is typically a problem with knit fabrics. Come around to the back. In a lot of cases, fabrics are rewinding in a roll, or you can unwind from this section too. But in this particular case, we're building a stack of fan-folded tensionless fabric. So we have this option on this particular inspection machine with the ability to fan fold and to make a stack of fabric that would obviously go over to a specialized spreader that can put that out on the cutting table. So this machine is going to run a bit longer until it gets to and here's the inspection area where the fabric can be inspected. But this roll stopped right at the 20 yards that was preset into the counter here.